Alright. Let's get atomic. Tonight's character, we're drawing Ship from Ben 10 Alien Force. Ship is a galvanic mechamorph microbe sent out to Earth to bring back allies and help to rescue his father. His spacecraft was damaged. At first, Ship was bringing out allies by causing a bit of damage to a fun fair. It's like he brought the carnival to life. And to be honest, that was the first time we saw Brainstorm. When they found out when Ben and Julie found out why Ship needed their help, they saw his father and disarmed the bomb and set him free. Later, after the mission was complete, Ship became Julie's pet and became a close friend to her. Ship has been a powerful ally for a really long time. He has the power to merge with Julie and become a galvanic gunship. That, yes, I will include him in one of my episodes. Anyway, that's him. That is how you draw a Ship. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And in the comments below, let me be informed on what character you want me to draw next. On what character will be included. Stegosaurus, see you later!